Feabhra. So in you on Gerardine. No, it's on Cadine. Okay, the week is going slower than I thought it was. So in you on Jehu Law Javi Feabhra Gavila is a Fehain. So hump day, middle of the week, on Cadine atá on, agus an Tarek atá on. Still no sign of Shnachta, but maybe Bajor Amork. Now, in you, Támaid Glév Daithí agus na bróga reatha arish in our Naberlum. So Chegi Gaji Lahanuk Shakto 70. And what we're going to do, in Ye Leamer on Lahanuk show, we read this page and I'm going to go through it again, and then we're going to see on Creek New the finish, see how it finishes, and then I'll tell you what we have tonight done Arborwalia. Okay, or in you today done Arborwalia. So very good work on what our fad in Ye with were number. So we're going to keep going today and see how we get on. So just listening here. Bhí Daithí ag iarraidh bróga reatha nua a Canach. So all the bríomhra are circled. Okay, we've highlighted na focail agus na nachna nua. Honnic sé péra ionach. He saw a lovely pair. Dír sé cead iad a Canach ach dúirt wam go raibh siad I wad ro chostasach. He asked his mammy ach dúirt she said that they were ro chostasach, too expensive. Bheach an targad a value féin. He would have to collect the money himself. Remember, on Moch Chanilach. All of these are on Amshirkacha, but this one is a different one on Moch Chanilach. We're going to fly through this anyway, because we did it yesterday. Doscail sé a bhosca airgid. Bhí euro cuaige an. Fuair sé 8 cent faoin gofra sa chistin agus €2 idir na cusíní ar an tullag. Okay, so you got €5 between the cushions. Fuair sé €2 seachta faoin na siachán sa char. Ach, bhí droch chuma ar an scéal, things look bad. Cosan na bróga reatha €8. They costed €80. Bheach aber crua ag tastal. There would have to be hard work done on an targad seo a all to get this money. Glán sé an teach ó bhan go bár agus thug a wam €10 dó. Dul bhí sé, he prepared an dinner agus thug daddy €10 eile dó. Cruc sé suas masúcán nullag the van I rian. He hung up the Mashikon nullag for Mrs. Ryan, agus fuair sé €2 uhi from her. Fuair sé €20 on úsal de burca mar thug sé a bhadra ag siúil gatranona. Ní rá a €2 ag tastal uhi an sin. Just €15 left. And then tháinig a sean bháthar ar cuairt sé Saharn. She came on a visit on Saharn. Hug she gave him €50 the gahi mar vrantanas nullag lua as an early Christmas present. Fuiera, eventually, bhí dóhan airgadega, he had enough. Eilish, off he went go dtí an tonad siopadorta agus bísh, bhí sketsamini Ceanni sé na bróga reatha agus bhí glunder crí He was delighted. He had a happy heart. Ach, there's a casu ar an scale. Twist. Okay. Isteach leisure squelin, he went to school Jalún, agus na bróga reatha nua with his new runners. Bhí brod an down he was so proud. Hug sé faoi deara, he noticed go raibh an péra céna ar cheann, the same pair ar cheann. A gahi ar sa sean. Nach bhfuil na bróga reatha seo haar bar. Daithí, aren't these runners outstanding, excellent, unbelievable? Ceanni me iad ar lína, I bought them online. Ní rá orthu ach €10. They were only €40, €10. Then Daithí says, the €10 sa Daithí agus a bhéal uscailt and his mouth open. Beviog nar hosi sé a cuinu. He nearly started. Beviog nar hosi sé means he nearly started a cuinu. He's like, oh my yeah, my God. Look how happy Shawnee is. Look at, so he is bronach, he's faragach, he's all the bad emotions. This guy is thrilled. So his pride turned to GMO, disappointment. Okay, so enough. Now, tonight, all I want you to do, guys, no writing here. What I want you to do is pick any 5 of these questions and answer them 3 veil, orally. Leave a voice message for me. Are you listening now? Don't write out 10 sentences. Fail on, are you listening? Yesterday you wrote out more than you need to. Listen, listen to me, okay? Pick any 5 that you want to answer. Ask the question. So, Cad bhí Daithí ag iarraidh a Canach. So, what was Daithí? Bhí Daithí ag iarraidh bróga nua a Canach. That's 1. Pick any 5. Okay, pick the 5 easiest ones, you know. So, go through them. Cad dúirt wam faoin na bróga reatha. What did Mammy say about them? Céimhéad Argad the Viag Daithí in a Vuska Argad. How much money had he? And if you'll notice, guys, I've highlighted all the Brihra, so that's what you'll start your answers with. Cá Wurshe €8 or 8 cent. Cain Far Hug Awam Jet Euro, though. Why did Mammy give him €10? So sorry, this one is where did he get the 8 cent, the 80 cent? Cé a hug €2 dó agus Cain Fá. Who gave him €2 agus Cain Fá? Cé a hánigar cuairt de Saharn agus cad the hug she dó. So who came on a visit and what did she give him? Okay, now I'm sure to highlight cad the hug she dó. Okay. So we have 2 Brihra and shot. Cain difriocht the idir bróga reatha Daithí agus bróga reatha Sheán. So what difference is there between bróga reatha Daithí agus bróga reatha Sheán? Agus conigs a wahi Daithí nuair a thula sé a méid a heag Seán a bróga master. So how did he feel when he heard? Hula means heard. Well, you said honig yesterday means heard. Honig means to see. Hula means heard. So nuair a thula sé a méid a heag Seán an bróga reatha. So how did he feel? Bhí something Was it farrog? Was it GMO? Was it áthas? Was it agla? What was it? And it's mass too, do you think? So any 5 of those guys, pick the 5 easiest ones or the 5 ones you know the answer to. Ask on Kesht agus Feabhra na Keshtana. 3 veil, orally, voice message. Also, now I'm not going to write this out for you, but I'm going to put this online. It's going to be a fill in the blank exercise, Erlina. Quirfi me or Torhi me, I will give you on link on Nask Seesaw. I'll give you the link on Seesaw. Click into it and drag in the correct answer into the different boxes like we normally do. Okay, and it'll be the exact same one, and I'll have the options at the bottom. You drag them in, and it's a chumra Aaron scale. It's a summary of this scale here, so it should be pretty aska. And send me a screenshot then, or Tashiv Creek now. But don't send it to me. You've got 10 out of 10. There's going to be 10 gaps, 10 answers. Keep going till you get 10 out of 10. Keep practicing until you get jet ask jet. Don't send it to me with 2 out of 10 or 5. Cúig ask jet. I want jet ask jet. It'll only take Gá no mate. Okay, so no writing. This bit, okay, 3 veil, orally, voice message. This bit, click on the link, August, jet, ask jet, 10 out of 10. Then, also today, guys, we have our, what do we call it? Fuman agus focal. Okay, so we have E agus F in U. Now, today we're doing a bit of grammadach. Huigan, which means 2, but Huigan gets an error. So, scríb an múntóir note that Huig an bríomhaide. The first one is done for us. Okay. Iver though, scríb níomh litir Huig an whatever. Níomh wrote a letter to the bank. Iver 3, scríb Siobhan litir Huig an whatever the Feabhra the clown is going to be. So Siobhan wrote a letter to the clown. Okay. Iver 4, Hui na páistí go léir Huig. All the children went to the party. Huig an whatever it's going to be. Iver 5, Huil líam amach Huig an whatever it's going to be. So fill those in. And the final thing I want you to do here with your highlighter, it'll take jet second. Each sentence has got a Brihra san Amsher Katcha in it. Each sentence has got a verb in the Amsher Katcha. I want you to highlight the verb in each of them there. Is that clear? So, Arish, we have any 5 here of na Keshtana, August na Feabhra in the answers. This fill in the blanks, Erlina, online. I'll send the link. Then we have on grammar the Huigan plus Eru. And then I want you to highlight the Brihra in each sentence. And then I think F. What's F in Fimnag's Focal? That's usually Eska. Yeah, you just write what the picture is. Is that Cart Galore, guys? Gur mila magiv. Okay. It's long live.